Phanteks is excited to be releasing 3 new colors to the P300 lineup: black/red, black/white, and white. With its full metal exterior and a tempered glass side panel, the Eclipse P300 has an exceptional build quality in its class. The new PSU shroud design enhances the clean interior and exterior looks. It's packed with features to create an intuitive and convenient installation experience. The P300 comes with easy cable management tools, AIO water cooling support, dust-proof interior, full-length GPU support and RGB lighting with possibilities to expand with more Phanteks RGB products. The Eclipse P300 is a great starting point for new and budget-oriented users. Phanteks Eclipse P300 color editions are available now.